Your question is, consider the facts given below. 1. Sukumar Sen was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India. 2. Ramadevi was the first woman Chief Election Commissioner of India. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. Quotes. Your options are A. Only 1 is correct, B. Only 2 is correct, C. Both 1 and 2 are correct, or D. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect. Right answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Sukumar Sen was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India and Ramadevi was the first woman Chief Election Commissioner of India. Your question is, Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from his office by. Your options are A. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, B. The President, C. Provision of the Cabinet, or D. Two-third majority of the members of both the houses of the Parliament on the basis of proven misconduct. Right answer is D. Two-third majority of the members of both the houses of the Parliament on the basis of proven misconduct. Your question is, the Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from office by. Your options are A. Both houses of Parliament by two-third majority in each house, B. The same procedure which applies in case of removal of Supreme Court judges, C. The President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of India, or D. The President on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Right answer is B. The same procedure which applies in case of removal of Supreme Court judges. Your question is, the Chief Election Commissioner of India is appointed by. Your options are A. Lok Sabha, B. Prime Minister, C. President, or D. Chief Justice. Right answer is C. President. Your question is, the Election Commissioner can be removed by the. Your options are A. Chief Election Commissioner, B. Prime Minister, C. President on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner, or D. Chief Justice of India. Right answer is C. President on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. Your question is, the Constitution of India provides for an election commission under article. Your options are A. 321, B. 322, C. 323, or D. 324. Right answer is D. 324. Your question is, which one of the following functions is not related to the Election Commission? Your options are A. Direction and control of the preparation of the electoral rolls, B. Conduct of all elections to the Parliament and legislatures of every state, C. To conduct the election of the offices of President and Vice President, or D. To make provision with respect to elections to legislatures. Right answer is D. To make provision with respect to elections to legislatures. Your question is, the decision to disqualify the person declared convicted by the court to contest the elections has been made by. Your options are A. The Government of India, B. The Supreme Court, C. The Election Commission, or D. The Parliament. Right answer is D. The Parliament. Your question is, the right to vote in India is a. Your options are A. Fundamental right, B. Constitutional right, C. Natural right, or D. Legal right. Right answer is D. Legal right. Your question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution there is provision for the Election Commission? Your options are A. Article 320, B. Article 322, C. Article 324, or D. Article 326. Right answer is C. Article 324.